welcome to the future. Today we're diving into 12 groundbreaking inventions you absolutely must see in 2024. These incredible innovations are set to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. So let's get started. Zapata Aeronautics Air Scooter. First up, the Zapata Aeronautics Air Scooter. Imagine zipping through the air on your personal flying machine, no pilot's license required. This incredible ultralight aircraft is fully compliant with FAA Part 103 regulations, making it accessible to anyone who wants to experience the thrill of flight. The air scooter uses a hybrid electric propulsion system, giving it longer flight times than anything else in the market. Plus, its patented fly-by-wire controls make it super easy to operate, ensuring a safe and smooth ride every time. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new landscapes, the air scooter is set to revolutionize personal transportation. Superbass V Home Energy Storage System. Next, let's talk about the Superbass VI, the next generation of home energy storage. With semi-solid state batteries, this system offers a whopping 4.6 kWh of energy storage that can expand to 9.2 kWh, enough to power your home during outages or keep things running smoothly off-grid. The best part, it's plug and play. You can easily install it yourself by plugging it into a standard outlet. The Superbass V is not only efficient, but also durable, with batteries designed to last over 10 years. Say goodbye to high energy bills and hello to sustainable living. Maycat AI Robot. And moving on to something truly adorable yet functional, the Maycat AI Robot from South Korea. This socially assistive AI robot isn't just a cute companion, it's a full-fledged smart home assistant. Maycat uses advanced sensors and cameras to monitor your home, sending you alerts if something seems off. It can also control your lights, thermostat, and even remind you about important tasks like taking your medication. And with its expressive eyes and playful interactions, Maycat is more than just a device. It's a lovable companion that makes living alone a little less lonely. City Glider Footwear. Ever wished you could walk faster without any extra effort? Meet the City Glider, a next-gen footwear innovation that makes walking feel almost like flying. Designed by Singaporean designer Frederick Fowler, the City Glider uses a pneumatic mechanical system that captures the energy from your heel strike and releases it to propel you forward. This means you can walk up to 12% faster with no extra effort. Lightweight and easy to use, City Glider is perfect for urban explorers looking to cover more ground and reduce their carbon footprint. Who knew walking could be this fun? MB&F Horological Machine number 9 Sapphire Vision HM9SV. Time for something luxurious, the MB&F Horological Machine number 9 Sapphire Vision, or HM9SV. This watch is a masterpiece of modern engineering, blending the futuristic design of the 1950s with cutting-edge watchmaking. The HM9SV features a stunning sapphire crystal case that allows you to see every intricate detail of its mechanism, with its curved, bubbled outer hull and complex movement based on the Valjoux 7751. This timepiece isn't just for telling time, it's for admiring the art of horology. If you're a watch enthusiast, this is one piece you won't want to miss in 2024. Astrolab Flex Rover. Coming up next is the Astrolab Flex Rover. Designed to support human operations on the Moon, Mars, and beyond, this versatile rover is as futuristic as it gets. Measuring 6 meters long and equipped with a solar electric power system, the Flex Rover can carry over 2 tons of cargo and travel up to 10 kilometers on a single charge. Whether it's exploring lunar landscapes or constructing habitats on Mars, the Flex Rover is built to handle it all. Scheduled for its first mission in 2026, this rover is paving the way for sustained human presence in space. Tesla Optimus Gen 2. Now let's talk about the Tesla Optimus Gen 2, a state-of-the-art robotic assistant that is redefining the future of human-robot collaboration. Unlike any robot you've seen before, the Optimus Gen 2 is equipped with advanced tactile sensors in its hands, allowing it to handle delicate tasks with incredible precision. It's designed to work side by side with humans, particularly in manufacturing and healthcare, where accuracy is critical. Imagine a robotic surgeon that can perform procedures with unparalleled precision, or a factory assistant that never tires. The Optimus Gen 2 isn't just a machine, it's a friendly, collaborative partner in the workforce of tomorrow. REM Propulsion Stick. Next, we have the REM Propulsion Stick, a game-changing device that turns the urban landscape into your personal playground. Designed for inline skaters, quad skaters, and anyone with wheels, this foldable propulsion stick is perfect for navigating steep city inclines and long distances with ease. Powered by a 3000W brushless motor, the REM Propulsion Stick can climb the steepest slopes effortlessly and reach speeds of up to 40 km/h, making it the fastest option in the bike lane. With a 44.4-volt battery, it provides up to 20 km of range on a single charge. If you're looking for a new way to experience city life, the REM Propulsion Stick is the ultimate tool for thrill seekers and commuters alike. Red Shark Bike. Why stick to land when you can bike on water? The Red Shark Bike is a pedal-powered watercraft that lets you enjoy the thrill of cycling on the open water. Handcrafted in Europe, this innovative bike is perfect for those who love both cycling and water sports. It's available in several models, including the performance-focused Sport model, which features a TT cockpit with aero extensions for optimal comfort and speed. Whether you're racing across a lake or just enjoying a leisurely ride along the shore, the Red Shark Bike offers a unique and exhilarating way to explore the water. WeRide Robo Sweeper S1. Next, we have the WeRide Robo Sweeper S1, an autonomous street cleaning vehicle that's bringing high-tech efficiency to urban maintenance. Designed to keep city streets spotless, this robot can drive, park, and even dump collected garbage all by itself. With a built-in 400-liter water tank and a capacity to handle 240 liters of waste, the Robo Sweeper S1 can clean up to 120,000 square meters on a single charge. It's like having a tireless cleaning crew working 24/7 to keep our cities beautiful and trash-free. Halo Space. Ever dreamed of traveling to space? The Halo Space experience makes that dream a reality. This is more than just a trip, it's a 4-day adventure that takes you to the edge of space. After getting acquainted with the state-of-the-art Halo capsule, you'll enjoy gourmet cuisine and luxurious accommodations before embarking on a 5-hour space flight. From your window, you'll witness the breathtaking curvature of the Earth and the vastness of space. Whether you're an adventurer at heart or simply looking for the ultimate bucket list experience, Whisper Ring. Last but not least is the Whisper Ring, a smart ring that takes personal assistance to the next level. This discreet, voice-operated device connects to multiple AI platforms, including ChatGPT and Gemini, allowing you to interact with your digital assistant at the touch of a button. No wake-up words are needed, just whisper your command, and the ring responds instantly. Whether you need to set calendar reminders, translate languages, or even trigger an SOS alert in an emergency, the Whisper Ring is your always-on, always-listening companion. It's perfect for travelers, busy professionals, or anyone who wants a smarter, more connected life. These 12 amazing inventions showcase the incredible advancements we're seeing in technology today. From flying machines and space tourism to AI-powered wearables and autonomous robots, 2024 is shaping up to be a year of innovation and excitement. Which of these inventions are you most excited to see? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more cutting-edge tech updates.